Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best coin cleaner is probably one of the most essential tools for any collector or hobbyist looking to preserve the value and appearance of their numismatic treasures, ensuring that each coin retains its historical integrity and aesthetic appeal for generations to come. Number 5. Weiman Fine Jewelry Cleaner Liquid. Rediscover the brilliance of your cherished gold, platinum, and diamond pieces. Our specialized formula gently cleans and restores their original shine. This powerful cleaner is designed to be safe for precious gemstones and delicate settings. It effectively removes tarnish and grime without causing damage. Achieve a thorough clean with the included brush. It's perfect for reaching intricate details and ensuring every part of your jewelry is sparkling. Whether it's gold, platinum, or other precious metals, this cleaner is formulated to bring back their luster. It works wonders on all your fine jewelry. Experience the joy of wearing your jewelry as if it were new. Our cleaner ensures a lasting shine and brilliance that will impress. This generous 6-ounce bottle provides ample solution for multiple uses. Keep your favorite pieces looking their absolute best with ease. What we like. This liquid cleaner is designed to bring back the sparkle to your gold, platinum, and diamond jewelry. If you have valuable pieces that have lost their luster, this is the perfect solution. It's ideal for those who want a deep clean that preserves the integrity of their precious stones and metals. What people say. Very easy to use, just put the items into the basket and lower them into the solution. Takes very little time, but heavily soiled items can be left in the solution longer. The small brush included is nice for cleaning tiny spaces and crevices. It's easy to use, just dip your jewelry in, let it sit for a bit, and rinse. It takes off the lotion, oils, and everyday grime that make pieces look dull. My rings and necklaces come out looking a lot shinier, almost like they were cleaned at a jewelry store. I also like that it doesn't leave any weird residue behind. After 30 minutes in the solution and using the brush included, the ring looks completely different. The solution got rid of gunk I didn't even know was stuck in the back of the ring. Number 4. Weiman Jewelry Cleaner and Sparkle Stick. Introducing the Weiman Jewelry Cleaner and Sparkle Stick. Keep your precious pieces looking their best, no matter where you are. This portable stick is perfect for your diamond engagement rings and wedding bands. Achieve a brilliant shine with just a simple swipe. Don't let dullness hide the beauty of your gemstones. Our cleaner gently restores their natural sparkle, making them gleam like new. From delicate necklaces to statement earrings and elegant bracelets, this versatile cleaner works wonders on all your fine jewelry. Its compact design makes it easy to carry in your purse or pocket. Enjoy convenient, on-the-go cleaning for radiant jewelry anytime, anywhere. Experience the ease of maintaining your jewelry's brilliance. This stick is your secret weapon for consistently dazzling accessories. What we like. For those moments when your jewelry needs a quick refresh, this portable stick is a game changer. If you're always on the move and want your engagement ring or favorite necklace to shine, this is for you. It's perfect for quick touch-ups before an event or when you notice a bit of dullness throughout the day. What people say. Very easy to use, just put the items into the basket and lower them into the solution. Takes very little time, but heavily soiled items can be left in the solution longer. The small brush included is nice for cleaning tiny spaces and crevices. It's easy to use, just dip your jewelry in, let it sit for a bit, and rinse. It takes off the lotion, oils, and everyday grime that make pieces look dull. My rings and necklaces come out looking a lot shinier, almost like they were cleaned at a jewelry store. I also like that it doesn't leave any weird residue behind. After 30 minutes in the solution and using the brush included, the ring looks completely different. The solution got rid of gunk I didn't even know was stuck in the back of the ring. Number 3. Elikliv LCD Digital Coin Microscope EDM4. Experience stunning 720p HD visuals on a large 4.3-inch screen. Its 8 adjustable LED lights ensure a fully illuminated view, reducing eye strain for comfortable, extended use. This powerful magnifier lets you zoom in and explore the finest details of your subjects. Discover a world of intricate textures and structures like never before. Effortlessly connect it to your Windows or MacBook for a larger viewing experience. Share live images with others and easily save your findings for later analysis. With 8 adjustable LED lights, you can achieve perfect illumination in any lighting condition. This ensures clear, detailed observations and enhances overall image quality. Perfect for inspecting coins, jewelry, stamps, circuit boards, and even for educational purposes. It's a fantastic tool for hobbyists, professionals, and students alike. The height-adjustable stand allows you to easily change the distance to your object. Find the perfect viewing angle and achieve precise focus for the clearest images possible. Enjoy up to 3 hours of continuous use with the built-in rechargeable battery. Its portability makes it ideal for exploration, whether you're indoors or outdoors. What we like. If you're a collector or hobbyist who needs to see the finest details, this digital microscope is your best bet. It offers powerful magnification and a clear display, making it easy to examine coins, jewelry, or even circuit boards. Consider this if you need to analyze intricate details or share your findings on a larger screen. What people say. This coin cleaner is very effective at removing tarnish and grime, leaving coins looking like new. The design is compact and easy to use, making the cleaning process quick and hassle-free. It works on a variety of coin types, including silver, copper, and clad coins, restoring their original luster. Number 2. LifeBasis Ultrasonic Cleaner CDS 100. Experience professional-grade cleaning with our ultrasonic cleaner. It generates 45,000 Hz of powerful sound waves to gently yet effectively clean your valuables. Operating this device is a breeze with its intuitive touch buttons and clear digital display. Choose from 5 preset cleaning cycles for your convenience. Our cleaner features a built-in cooling fan and overheating protection, ensuring stable and quiet operation even during extended use. With a 20-ounce capacity, it's ideal for cleaning jewelry, glasses, and watches without taking up too much space. The stainless steel tank offers excellent corrosion resistance. An automatic 20-second degas function removes air bubbles, significantly boosting cleaning power for visibly shinier results without damage. The package includes everything you need, and our product has passed multiple safety certifications. We're here to provide prompt solutions to any questions you may have. What we like. This ultrasonic cleaner provides a professional-grade clean for a variety of items, from jewelry and glasses to watches and dentures. If you're looking for a powerful yet gentle way to remove dirt and grime without scrubbing, this is the one. Its efficient degas function and cooling fan make it suitable for frequent or extended use. What people say. For jewelry, it's incredible. Rings, necklaces, and even small watch parts come out sparkling clean in just a few minutes. It's simple to use, the ultrasonic action is powerful, and it gets into every little crevice that a brush never could. I've used it several times to clean corrosion off water-damaged boards, and it does a phenomenal job at getting under components without having to solder anything. The tank is big enough for full cell phone PCBs and most small electronics, which makes it way more useful than the compact models I've tried before. The digital timer is easy to use, and the watch holder is a great bonus for cleaning delicate pieces safely. I also love the generous 600 ml capacity, it's perfect for multiple items at once. This cleaner is fast, efficient, and professional grade. Number 1. Conserv Safe Coin Solvent BU Plus. Introducing Conserv Safe Coin Solvent BU Plus, the ultimate solution for coin collectors. It effectively removes stubborn residue while preserving the integrity of your valuable coins. This powerful formula acts as a brightener, bringing back the original luster to your collection. Watch as dullness fades away, revealing the true beauty of your coins. Formulated with safety in mind, our solvent is designed to be tough on grime but gentle on your precious metals. You can trust it to clean without causing damage. Using it is simple, just apply and wipe. In no time, you'll achieve brilliant results that enhance the appearance and value of your coins. For collectors who demand the best, this is the go-to product. It's the perfect addition to your coin care toolkit, ensuring your collection stays in pristine condition. This convenient 4-ounce bottle provides ample product for multiple uses. It's the ideal size to keep your coins looking their best, session after session. What we like. For coin enthusiasts who want to bring out the best in their collection, this safe solvent is an excellent choice. It not only cleans but also brightens your coins, removing unwanted residue. If you're looking for a specialized solution to enhance the appearance of your numismatic treasures, this is the product to consider. What people say. It really did make an uncirculated Jefferson nickel brighten up. Very easy to use. This solvent really does bring out the shine. I had to let some coins sit in the juice for over an hour, but it really did help get a bunch of junk off as well as bring a shine to my coins. Works very well to clean coins. Saw a video by a spokesperson from a coin rating company recommending it to clean coins and it would not affect the coin's value. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.